What if I told you that money isn't just something you earn? It's something you attract. Right now, there are people making thousands, even millions, without working harder than you. The difference? Their mindset. Most people are unknowingly pushing money away, blocking their own success without realizing it. But today that changes. In this video, I'm giving you 7 powerful techniques to shift your energy, remove mental blocks, and start attracting money faster than you ever thought possible. These are the exact principles used by millionaires, and once you apply them, you'll start seeing results almost instantly. Stay until the end because I'm sharing one money manifestation technique that works immediately when you need cash right now. This is something you can do today to start seeing money flow into your life effortlessly. Before we dive in, smash that like button to claim your financial breakthrough, and tell me in the comments, what's your biggest money goal this year? Let's set the intention together. And if you're serious about unlocking abundance, subscribe now so you never miss a video on wealth, success, and prosperity. Your journey to financial freedom starts right now. Money is energy, and right now, you're either attracting it or pushing it away, without even realizing it. Most people unknowingly repel money because deep down, they believe they're not worthy of wealth. They think money is hard to get, that it only comes with struggle, or that it's reserved for the lucky few. But that's a lie. The truth is, wealth follows belief. If you see yourself as someone who barely gets by, that's exactly what will keep happening. But if you shift your identity to someone who naturally attracts money, everything changes. Think about it. Have you ever noticed how some people just seem to magnetize opportunities, high-paying jobs, or unexpected windfalls? It's not luck. It's their mindset. They expect money to flow, and so it does. Your mind is a magnet, and you have to decide. Are you attracting abundance or lack? Here's your first action step. Every day, repeat this out loud. I am a magnet for wealth. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly. Feel it. Believe it. The more you affirm it, the more your subconscious starts accepting it as truth. And when your mind believes it, reality starts shifting. You'll notice more financial opportunities, unexpected cash, and doors opening where there were none before. Now, I want you to type this in the comments. I am attracting wealth now. Declare it. Own it. This is the moment you start rewiring your mind for abundance. And if you're ready to fully activate your money magnet energy, keep watching, because what I'm about to share next will break the invisible blocks holding you back. If you still see yourself as someone who struggles financially, that's exactly what you'll keep experiencing. Your identity shapes your reality. Wealthy people don't just have money. They think differently about money. They don't see themselves as victims of the economy, bad luck, or circumstance. They see themselves as wealth creators. And that's the shift you need to make today. Imagine 2 people. One says, I can't afford that. The other says, how can I afford that? One shuts down opportunities. The other opens doors. The difference? Identity. Wealthy people expect success. They expect money to flow. They act, think, and make decisions from a place of abundance, not scarcity. If you want to attract wealth fast, you must start seeing yourself as someone who naturally attracts money. Here's your action step. Every morning, stand in front of the mirror and say out loud, I am rich. I am successful. Money loves me. At first, your brain might resist, but over time, this rewires your subconscious. You stop seeing wealth as something far away and start embodying it now. And when you believe it, you start making choices that align with financial success. I want you to claim this right now. Drop a comment saying, I am a wealth creator. Declare it. Own it. The moment you shift your identity, money starts flowing in ways you never imagined. And if you think something is blocking your wealth, keep watching, because up next, I'll show you how to remove the hidden beliefs that are keeping you broke. Most people don't realize they have invisible money blocks buried deep in their subconscious. These are beliefs you picked up from childhood, society, or past experiences that keep you stuck in financial struggle. Ever heard phrases like, money is hard to get, rich people are greedy, or I'm just not lucky with money? These thoughts are poison to your wealth. They create a mental ceiling, blocking money from flowing into your life. Here's the truth. Money doesn't care who you are. It follows energy, belief, and expectation. If you secretly feel guilty about wanting more, if you think success is for other people, or if you believe you're not worthy of wealth, you will unknowingly reject opportunities, sabotage success, and stay stuck. But the moment you change these beliefs, you open the floodgates to abundance. Let's break these blocks right now. Close your eyes and imagine yourself holding $1 million in cash. How does it feel? Exciting or uncomfortable? If there's any resistance, that's a sign of a hidden money block. Now, take a deep breath and say, I release all negative beliefs about money. I deserve unlimited wealth. Say it until you feel the shift. Now, let's lock in your new reality. Drop a comment right now. I am open to receiving unlimited wealth. The second you declare it, you start rewiring your subconscious. Keep watching, because next, I'm going to show you a powerful technique to rewire your mind for wealth fast. If you can't see yourself wealthy, you'll never be. Your mind creates your reality, and every wealthy person knows this secret. Visualization is the fastest way to reprogram your brain for success. Before they had millions, self-made millionaires like Jim Carrey, Oprah, and Steve Harvey all used visualization to manifest their wealth. They didn't just wish for money. They saw it, felt it, and believed it was already theirs. Right now, close your eyes and picture yourself opening your bank app. You check your balance, and there it is, $1,000,000 sitting in your account. Feel the excitement rush through you. Imagine where you are, what you're wearing, the sense of freedom knowing you never have to stress about money again. The clearer the image, the faster you attract it. And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper, if you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. Here's your action step. Every night before bed, visualize your wealthy life as if it's already real. Imagine spending without worry, traveling freely, and having financial security. The more real it feels, the more your subconscious works to make it happen. Your mind doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. It will start aligning your actions, thoughts, and energy to match your vision. Now, lock this in. Drop a comment. I see myself wealthy. Declare it. Own it. The more you visualize, the faster your reality shifts. And if you want to see money manifest even faster, keep watching, because up next, I'm giving you a 24-hour money attraction experiment that will prove this works. What if I told you that in the next 24 hours, you could attract unexpected money just by shifting your mindset? Sounds impossible? It's not. The reason most people don't attract wealth is simple. They don't expect it. They doubt. They hesitate. And that energy blocks money from flowing in. But today, you're going to flip the switch. For the next 24 hours, I want you to act as if money is already on its way to you. Not hoping, knowing. Wake up tomorrow and say, I expect unexpected money today. Carry yourself with the energy of someone who always receives abundance. Notice every sign of wealth around you, because the more you notice it, the more you attract. Now, here's where it gets powerful. Money always finds a way to appear when you believe it will. It might come as a gift, a refund, a new opportunity, or even cash you forgot about. But the key is to trust the process and stay open. No doubts, no questioning, just expect it. And when it happens, because it will, come back here and comment, money came to me. Declare it. Own it. This is just the beginning. Keep watching, because up next, I'm revealing a powerful strategy that wealthy people use to keep their money flowing endlessly. Money is energy. It flows to those who understand how to circulate it. If you hold on to money out of fear, if you constantly worry about losing it, you block the flow of wealth. But when you trust that money is always coming, you create a cycle where it returns to you multiplied. This is what wealthy people do differently. They see money as a tool, not something to hoard. Right now, think about your relationship with money. Do you spin with fear? Do you hesitate to invest in yourself? If so, you're sending a message to the universe that you don't trust abundance. The shift happens when you start giving with confidence, not recklessly, but with the belief that what you give always comes back. Here's your action step. Today, give away a small amount of money, $1, $5, or $10. It could be a tip, a donation, or helping someone in need. But as you give, say this: money flows in and out of my life effortlessly. The moment you do this, you'll notice something incredible. Unexpected money will start finding its way back to you. Now, let's set the intention. Comment below, "I trust money to flow to me endlessly." Declare it. Feel it. Because once you understand this energy exchange, you'll never stress about money again. And if you're ready for the ultimate money manifestation technique, keep watching. What I'm about to share next works instantly when you need cash right now. Sometimes, you need money fast. Not next month, not next week, now. And there's a way to make it happen. This isn't luck or wishful thinking. It's a proven manifestation hack used by some of the most successful people in the world. The secret? Living in the end. Right now, close your eyes and imagine your phone vibrating. You pick it up and see a notification. $5,000 deposited into your account. Feel the excitement. Feel the relief. Let that feeling sink into your body as if it's already happened. Because here's the truth. Your mind doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. When you fully believe something has already happened, your energy shifts and the universe rearranges circumstances to match it. Now, here's your action step. For the next 24 hours, act as if your manifestation is already real. Walk with confidence. Expect good news. If doubt creeps in, remind yourself, it is already done. The more real it feels, the faster money will appear. Through unexpected sources, new opportunities, or even gifts you didn't see coming. And when it happens, because it will, come back and comment, "It worked." Declare it. Own it. Because once you master this, you'll never worry about money again. Your wealth is already on its way. Keep watching, because next, I'll show you how to lock in this abundance for life. You are now a money magnet. These 7 steps will transform your financial reality, but only if you take action. Wealth isn't just about knowledge. It's about energy, belief, and action. The moment you shift your mindset, you shift your reality. Let's lock this in right now. Comment below, "I am ready for unlimited wealth." Declare it. Own it. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. If this video helped you, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs this message. Let's spread abundance together. And if you're serious about mastering wealth attraction, subscribe now so you never miss a video on success, abundance, and financial freedom. Your next breakthrough is just one mindset shift away. Your time is now.